It's not fancy, it's not expensive, but this can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. Let's explore how. Number 1. Curb cravings. Often, thirst is mistaken for hunger. And when you are dehydrated, your body might send hunger pangs even if you don't need food. Drinking water before meals can help you fill up and reduce your calorie intake. Number 2. Boost metabolism. Studies suggest water can give your metabolism a temporary lift. This means your body burns more calories throughout the day, even at rest. Number 3. Aid digestion. Water keeps things moving smoothly in your digestive system. This prevents constipation and helps your body absorb nutrients efficiently. Number 4. Flush out toxins. Water helps your body eliminate waste products. This can improve your overall health and potentially contribute to weight loss. And well, here is a pro tip. Spice it up. Plain water can definitely get boring, but there are ways to make it more exciting. Infuse your water with fruits, vegetables or herbs like cucumber, lemon, mint or berries. And how much water do you exactly need in a day? Well, there is no one size fits all answer, but a good rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. So for a 150-pound person, that's about 75 ounces of water. And well, it is important to make this your habit. Carry a non-plastic bottle to sip water throughout your day. Set reminders on your phone or use a water tracking app. Ensure you drink a glass of water 30 minutes before every meal. And of course, choose water over sugary drinks, soda or juice.